This is your math instructor, Mr. P, talking about more examples of rates and unit rates. So this time we're gonna split it up. We're gonna talk about the walker. So suppose a walker walks 3 miles in 1 hour. That sounds reasonable. A mile every 20 minutes. So we would like to know, how many miles can he do in 5 hours? Well, this is a rate and that's a rate. Usually you have two rates equal to each other. Two rates equal to one another, use like a proportion crisscross thing. So the way you do this is you crisscross multiply the numbers you know. So I know 3 and I know 5. So I'm going to crisscross multiply this. So 3 times 5 is 15. So you multiply by the two numbers you know and divide by the other one that's left. Well, that's 1. So that means 15 divided by 1 is still 15. And that gives you what x is. So the answer is 15. That's how you do this. And that's what I got drawn kind of down here. I did 3 times the 5 because I only need the numbers at this point, divided by the number that's left, which is 1. And it gives me what x is. So that's the route I'm going to go for the runner as well. If the runner goes, suppose the runner goes 2 miles in 30 minutes. So he's moving fast. And in the 5 miles, but then how long, after 5 miles, how long has he ran? Right? So you do the same routine here. You say, okay, the two numbers I know crisscross is the 30 and that 5 up there. So 30 times 5 is 150. And you divide by the other number, which is 2. But half of 2 is 75. So that means it's 75 minutes, right? Well, you could have got that another way. And you see how I did the crisscross thing here. You multiply 30 times 5, and you divide by the other number. Well, actually, I went this way. Divide by 2, and then you come around this way, and you get x, right? So it's 2.5 times faster. So 2, 1, 2, and then a half, right? So you see that you're going to do 30, and then 15. Because in order to get from 2 to 5, that's 2.5 more times. So if you multiply 2 times 2.5, you can get 5. You can get it that way, or you can crisscross and get it. But you certainly can get it when you think about it. He's going to go another 2 miles in 30 minutes and another 2 miles. That's 4, and then another half, which would be 15. So that's another way to get to 75. So basically, that's more examples of rates for you to practice. And make sure you know how to do these because they are on your test. And that's Mr. P with another one for you. And I'm out. And you have a great day. And think about your unit rates. How much one of something costs, right?